Going on, guys? Welcome to your second PHP tutorial, and in today's I'm going to be showing you how to connect to a MySQL database. And I'm using XAMPP, so if you guys are going to be using my tutorials all along the way, then you may want to use XAMPP because it has the same credentials as what I'll be using, so it's easier to follow along that way. So like I said before, I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect to the MySQL database, which is, if you're using XAMPP, localhost /php myadmin, and this connects you to the MySQL database. And I have some databases here, but I'm not going to be showing you how to connect to them right now. But this is the MySQL for XAMPP. And here's the folder we're working in, which I've named MySQL. Then I have it open in the browser right here. So what we want to do is open up a text editor, and I'm using Notepad++, and you want to start the PHP tag XO, and then put in $CON, which is the variable connect, =MySQL _ connect, parenthesis, quotation marks, local host, which is, localhost means your IP address. It's just a different way of putting it, and that's what XAMPP uses. So if you're using XAMPP, then that's what you want. Comma, quotation marks, root is the default username for XAMPP, comma, quotation marks. XAMPP doesn't use a password unless you choose one yourself, so leave it blank, and then end it with a semicolon, and then put on the next line if, parentheses, exclamation point, $CON, and I'll be explaining the code after I finish. Brackets, header, parentheses, apostrophes, inside them put location, colon, disconnected.php. If you guys don't know why I named it disconnected.php, just wait till the end. Semicolon to end the statement. Add an else statement, brackets, and then put header, parentheses, apostrophes, location, colon, connected.php. Okay. Now what this code does is, actually I gotta end this, hold on. There we go. What this code does is, PHP tag, self-explanatory, connects using the connect variable, connects to the MySQL database using the credentials localhost, root, and no password. If it does not connect, then redirect them to disconnected.php. Else, so basically, if it does connect, then redirect them to connected.php. So exactly what these two lines mean, or why I use these names. I called it disconnected.php and connected.php to show you guys how it connects. So if it doesn't connect, like you put in the wrong credentials, then it will tell you. But if you put in the right ones, then it'll say you have connected successfully. So it's a way of basically showing you that it does connect, and it knows if it connects. And so basically, that's why I use those two lines. So you can save that file, and I'm just going to save it to my htdocs folder, and then MySQL, and I'm going to call my MySQL.php, but you can call yours whatever you want. I'm running reserve battery power. Okay, and now you can close that, and in this one you can just put you have connected. Save it as connected.php. Close that one. You make a new one. You could not connect. Save that as disconnected.php. Okay, now the next thing, we're almost done here, is go to your browser and refresh that and go to MySQL.php. Now since we put in our credentials on this page right here, MySQL.php, it's going to connect and redirect us to connected.php. Alright, so there we go. It redirects you to connected.php. But if we change our credentials in here, and we change this to I love Karina, and then we save that. This thing is gonna have no idea what I love Karina is. It's gonna have doesn't even know what that means. So if we go back to our MySQL.php file, it's gonna redirect us. Oops, disconnect. Oh, made a mistake here. I didn't. Hold on, what did I do here? Oh, I see. I accidentally. I didn't know how to see here. Okay, so there we go. We saved that. And now if we refresh the MySQL.php page, it's gonna redirect us to the disconnected.php, and it's gonna say you couldn't connect. So basically it says, what the heck is I love Karina and root. There's no such MySQL database. There's no like IP called I love Karina. So if we change this back to localhost, save that, go back to MySQL.php, then it's gonna say you've connected. So there's really nothing you can do as far as this. As far as once you've connected, you can't do much, but you can do more if you're to tell the PHP to do something. So in later tutorials, I'll be showing you guys how to do that. So if you guys are interested, just wait, and I'll make more tutorials. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.